Hey, welcome back to the Shaniwell. I made some delicious peri peri chicken and this is a quick video showing you how I did it. So I'm gonna make some Nandos Peri Peri, but I'm still gonna make my homemade rub. So in here I have red sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and to that I ran out of olive oil, so I'll be using olive oil to kind of keep it, fluid. And then I'm gonna add some paprika just for the color, and I'm going to do it like whole chicken style. So I'm just cleaning, washing the chicken, and then I'm gonna cut it. And this was the end result. I'm so sorry I didn't take like a video, but it was delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.